FilmoraGo. We shoot how we throw a fruit, and we shoot the same way with a cut fruit. Open the application and combine two parts of the video. You can also shoot the moment we take the fruit. Also, we can add some background to our video with a text. So I choose this sticker and put my text on it. And also I add some stickers of the fruits on my video. Also apply a filter to the video. You can choose music, and that's it. The video is ready.